Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Hubble for iPad. This is the all-in-one hub and case for iPad Pro 11 2018 and the 2020 iPad Air 10.9 inch as well. So this is a full case and it has so much more. So this is the magnetic cover right here. Nice lining on the inside. It's definitely hard. This whole piece here is made out of metal. And then at the bottom, where it connects to your iPad, there's a bunch of ports that you would need as a professional. So it has an on-off switch here. It has two USB-C ports. This one's for charging, and this one's for connecting at speed. Then you have a USB-A port, and then you have, looks like, ports for cards and HDMI and a 3.5mm port right there. So this is compatible with multiple iPads, and we'll show you some more details right here about what all the ports are. You can pause this video anytime. So this can actually deal with a micro SD card in UHS-1, and this is SD card reader up to 104 megabit a second read speed. So that's very good. And this is from a company called Fledgling. So you want to check them out. This is the first hub I've seen that connects to the bottom of the iPad Pro 2018 and 2020, as well as the iPad Air 2020, including the case. So there might be hubs out there, but not cases and hubs. Look at all the ports. I like the idea of an on-off switch. So this is from Fledgling, and it's the Hubble for iPad.